Hello, this 2001-2009 Volvo S60, XC70, 90, V70, S80. Some of them came equipped with heated seats. This is the button. I think it's an optional winter package. And when you have these buttons, you will also have normally heated side mirrors. On both sides, the element is heated. And I just wanted to show you how to use this, because when I bought the car I had no idea. I've seen no button here for the side mirrors. Actually, the way they work is that we have this front windshield heating. This will just activate the AC, and we have the rear windshield heating, and this is what, when it's depressed, it will activate the heating mirrors. There is no other way around. You just press on it, we have a light, the heating mirrors start working. And the reason, second reason why I'm doing this video is that actually, yes, these mirrors will work. It's winter time, but it's just kind of a warmer weather today. But yes, this will kind of melt the snow if it's snowing or there's ice on them. But actually the best, or the biggest advantage of having heated mirrors is when it's raining. Let's just see the side mirror here. Notice how covered, if I open the glass, how covered with water droplets is, and it just doesn't make rear view very easily. So let me just, actually at this moment the heater mirrors are off. These things take a little bit of time to start heating. Actually, especially you will maybe need the engine to be more or less fully warmed. Let me just give you an example. I will just turn these guys on and see how it's going to clear the side mirrors and also the rear glass. This is what it looks when it's not cleared, and let's see how efficient these things are. Just another day. I'm continuing this video, so let's just give it a try. Right now the heating windows are not on. It's raining. You notice again, not the best visibility. So let's see how this helps when these buttons are powered on. Let's just give it a try, and I will just keep with the video when the mirrors are clean. So this is how it looks. About 5-7 minutes. Certainly takes a lot of time, but it does clean them, not perfectly. Just you notice the bigger droplets are still there, but the view is definitely clear now, easy to see. These things, the mirror glass does go bad. It just, the heating element burns inside. I'll put a video on the link, a link in the video description, how to remove and replace the glass. The only way to test is actually just kick it here, wait 5 minutes and touch the glass. If you feel it's kind of warm, then it means it works. And again, 2004 and up have a different shape. It's not compatible with this one. It was completely different, and I think 2004 and up was better, higher resistance element, so I think that will work faster and better than this one. Also notice how the rear windshield, it's so clean now, so easy to see behind you even though it's raining outside. So yeah, this is definitely a must actually.